Are you ready to escape the ordinary and craft your own artisanal spirits? Introducing the newest lineup from How to Moonshine, your gateway to the world of artisanal spirits. Experience the satisfaction of crafting something truly your own with the All-in-One Artisan Spirit Extractor. This complete distillation system is designed for the modern connoisseur, featuring an easy-to-use design, compact size for efficient use of space, and high-quality stainless steel construction. For the dedicated distiller, the Alchemist's arsenal offers a 15-gallon powerhouse for serious batch production. With a large-capacity stainless steel kettle, modular flute column for ultimate control, and upgraded copper bubble plates for superior purification, this comprehensive kit allows for unparalleled control and precision. Ready to unlock the full potential of your distillation journey? Meet the Colossus, the most powerful distillation column yet. Featuring a massive 3-inch diameter column for increased production speed, heavy-duty construction, and advanced features for experienced distillers, the Colossus delivers unmatched speed and efficiency. Visit How to Moonshine today and unleash your inner distiller.